This is Pat Walker at Mission Winners, just showing you something that we do in Mission Winners. Every day we make a key list with a video tutorial explaining why the stock's on the key list and what to look for to buy it. Triggers, price backed by volume. And we love simple bases. Tesla, basing nicely right here. As you can see, it's just a simple base. It's easy to see. It's easy for us to see. It's easy for everybody to see. Increases the odds they'll buy also. And that's what we want. Go across right here and off to the races. Now, I want to document this because it's easy to talk about it, but not really lay it out. There's Tesla right here. Tesla. Key list for Friday, April 25th. That's today. Entry 259.60. Trigger price, Tesla, 259.60. There you go. We'll slide this back out. You can see these tops across here. This is a daily chart. Clean tops, easy to see. Take it down to 30-minute. Look at the volume coming into it on that first bar this morning. And you're off to the races. And we were buying in here and added to it. It's simplicity. The key list works. It's all I look at. It's all we need. And again, we make it every day, video with explanation on what to look for and what to do. Here's the daily chart again. Simple base with a line drawn. Added to it. There we go. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. What we do at Mission Winners, again, we make a key list with a video showing exactly what to buy, where buy it, why buy it. We combine those together, and it helps people make better investing decisions and make more money. I hope this helps you, and I thank you.